my first ever time making a video. Well, anyways, I am from Nepal. Even if I've only seen American people making videos, I am just making this video so I can get a ton of subscribers and a ton of comments. And because American people are making it, but Nepali people are not. So yeah, I just want to make my very own video. So today I'm going to be opening this Barbie playset. I don't know how it goes though. Oh, it is like this Barbie playset I'm going to be opening today, and I have no clue what this is all about. So let's open it, of course. So I will open this up a little faster than how I opened my very own dolls without making them videos. So now let's see how many dolls there are. Well, as I know, there were 2 dolls. So first I'm going to see this doll. Well, a very cool thing about this doll is that her hands can move like she's doing a high or something like that. Yeah, I really like that part. And look at her hair. It's so beautiful. It has colors in her hair, like she dyed them a different color. Well, it is pretty hard to control her hair though, but it is so nice, her hair. I like it. And look at her face. It's so shimmery. I'll have to take care of this piece of the hair for a minute. Look at her face. It's so nice. I love her face. So now let's see the other big Barbie doll. Well, we have this big Barbie doll that I like because she looks like a pop star, like a singer or something like that. And I love to sing, so I love this doll. And I have a daughter over here, which I'm going to show you also. So first, let's see how she looks. Well, she has pretty rocking hair because she looks like a pop star. And she has a little flower on here that I like. And look at her dress. It's so different. It's like short. Well, anyways, this Barbie doll's dress was also short. So they both have it in a ponytail. And they both look super fabulous, except this one has shoes on. If these are very pretty shoes, tell me in the comments down below. I think they are very pretty. But she does not have any shoes, but still, I love her arms because they can move. So let's get their daughter out of the box. Well, there is the daughter out of the box. So now I'm going to show you something very different that was not in any of these dolls before. Look at this. There are monkeys all over her body, and look, not on her body, I mean on her dress, all over her dress. Look at it. And now I'm going to show a suitcase. Here's the suitcase, and I want to see if it opens or not. It does open, so here is how it looks inside. So now I'm going to close it, and this is so awesome. It looks like it's like necklace. Yeah, it looks like a necklace, or it could be a bracelet or an accessory, anything. But let's just get on the next slide. Well, we have 4 dresses that I'm not going to show you today. I'm going to show them on my next video. And also, I want to do it a different Barbie. I can do like this, and like she's gonna be like, I'm going to school, and like that. So now I'm gonna. Well, even if Barbie was going to school, I have a perfect thing for her. I have a school bag that I'm going to show you now. So, well, this is the school bag. It's a pring, but if you don't know, this really opens, and it has real, like, this backpack thingies. So I'm going to show you that it really opens first. I don't know if there are some things inside. Yep, there's only one thing. I didn't put a tiffin box inside there, but yeah, look at this. It really opens. I like it. And you can even close it even if you open it again. Well, it is pretty hard to open and close, but it is what it takes to put things inside the backpack. Well, that's it for today. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe, please, and like this video and hit the notification bell down below. And bye!